Moments ago, a divided Supreme Court declined to block a new controversial Texas law that bans most abortions after 6 weeks.
Yeah, the decision coming in, a 5-4 vote. The Republican-appointed Chief Justice John Roberts joining the liberals on the court in dissenting. All three justices appointed by President Trump joining the majority. The Texas law went into effect earlier today. It prohibits abortion after a heartbeat can be detected. That's at about 6 weeks, and before most women even know that they're pregnant. The law authorizes anyone to sue an abortion provider or anyone facilitating the abortion, such as a person who drives a woman to a clinic for the procedure.
We go to Chelsea Edwards live with reaction to all this. Chelsea.
Christine, impassioned reaction from people who gathered here in West Hollywood earlier today to denounce that new law in Texas. That obviously happened before these breaking new details coming out from the Supreme Court. Opponents to this new law say they're very concerned that this just paves the way for similar action to be taken in other states.
And what happened today in Texas is an outrage.
West Hollywood Mayor Lindsay Horvath says that SB 8, the country's most restrictive abortion law enacted Wednesday in Texas, is unconscionable.
Even if their lives are at stake, even if their pregnancy is the product of rape or incest, that they have no options, no safe space, no resource, no one that they can turn to.
She and other outraged community members gathered in West Hollywood Park to speak out against the law and to offer support to women and girls in Texas.
We are the nation's first pro-choice city. We are here in West Hollywood because this will always be a safe space for anyone who needs it.
What is so radical about SB 8 is that it is taking us back to a time before Roe v. Wade, when women did not have a choice over their own bodies, over their own destinies, and here we are 50 years later having to fight this fight all over again.
SB 8 prohibits most abortions in the state of Texas after about 6 weeks of pregnancy. On Wednesday night, the Supreme Court refused to stop the new law.
I'm fearful this is going to spread to other places.
LA's Planned Parenthood president and CEO Susan Dunlap says it's hard to even comprehend the impact of the new law.
Think about the employees. Think about the doctors. We got a call today in Los Angeles from a residency program in Texas. Their OBGYN students now cannot be trained on abortion care in the state of Texas.
I want the Constitution upheld. The Constitution says that women have a fundamental right to make a choice whether to terminate a pregnancy or not.
Attorney Lisa Bloom says the consequences of the new law are going to be dire.
Women and girls in Texas are going to die. They're going to have illegal abortions just like before Roe v. Wade. And it's going to happen again because now this is the law in Texas, because the judges are asleep or afraid or playing politics with women's lives.
Now, community members here in West Hollywood say they will continue to speak out and offer support to people in Texas. Reporting live in West Hollywood.